both V9, Mitsubishi EVO 10. Don't really see them as often in red like this. You still daily this? Yeah. How many lips have you gone through already?
This is the second one.
Second one?
It's nothing special.
Clean and simple. Yeah. Sweet. And then suspension wise, what coilovers? Fortunatos. Cool. I am currently on some Reaction USA coilovers and rear sway bar. Besides that, the car's completely stock suspension wise. We got the TE37s with some Federal RSR, or these are the RSR Pro actually, 255/35 R18 tires. My POV videos. It's a GoPro 11 with an eBay or Amazon mouth mount. Works really good. So much. It gives you so much confidence behind the corners, and it's something I don't quite feel with any other car. The EVO drives like it's on rails. It's a literal, I always say it's a literal go-kart. Try to share it as much as possible because I want the whole world that doesn't own an EVO or that's never driven an EVO to know how well these cars can handle, like from stock form to fully modified to even being backyard built with some really crappy coilovers. This car will just out handle most cars on the street just because it's a car that's meant for this. It's meant for back roads, it's meant for rally, it's meant for motorsport, it's meant to be a race car that you can daily drive and take your kids to school Monday morning. So it's just a car that damn guys, like I wish I could really show you guys what it feels like to drive an EVO, and if you're able to get your hands on one, when you do, you remember me and be like, now I understand Miguel and what he was saying in regards to these cars. These things are so damn good. So we're getting into the tighter turns of the Canyon. With the laggy turbo, I could definitely feel the difference in regards to the stock turbo having instant torque versus hardly having any power right now. Currently in third gear, so I think second gear would have to be one for this type of setting if I was to push it. Also gotta watch out for rocks right there. Scary for motorcycles. I remember bringing my bike up here once and you know, almost like freaking eating crap because it's not easy to ride a canyon like it is to drive one, in my opinion. It's a different type of skill. Car's running hot a little bit. 207. Water temp high. She's running hot, boys. Gotta take it easy. So damn good. So damn good. On these short turns unless I'm in second gear. This is around 3,000 RPM. Alright, we made it to the top. A couple cars out here. Should check with the potholes. Alrighty guys, we made it to the top of the mountain. One of the best views. As you guys can see, we have people gathering up around sunset time to kind of get a nice view out here. Plus the nice drive back home, so sick.